Hey guys, and welcome to your first assignment for the wave. Hopefully, this works out okay. I'm just going to go over the instructions here for you. You can either turn this in to me the next time you see me, or you can send it to me by email, or take a picture and send it to me by email, or put it on a Google Doc and send it to me that way. Whatever works best for you. But what I want you to do is make sure you've read chapters 1 and 2 of The Wave, and then you're going to make a list of the following terms, okay, right here. Perpetual, inept, charismatic, naive, lackadaisical. It's kind of a fun word to say, lackadaisical. Atrocities, emaciated, permeated, quintessential. Once you've done that, use Google Dictionary, or actually use it if you have a dictionary at home. Go old school and do it that way. Whatever works best for you. Define the terms. That's all you have to do is define them. Make sure you understand them. All right, and then also on that sheet of paper, I want you to answer these two questions from Chapter 1. Discuss Ben Ross's reputation as a teacher and what it reveals about him. How would you react to a teacher like Mr. Ross? Would you enjoy having him as a teacher? Maybe you wouldn't like him. Just explain it. And then what concerns does Ben Ross have about his students? All right, he certainly has a few, as I have a few concerns about many of you. All right, then for Chapter 2, answer these three questions. What is your impression of the quote describing Nazi atrocities on page 16, and how on God's earth could anyone make anyone else do something like that? The second one, did the students all react the same to the film? If not, how did the responses differ? Okay, they probably all, they do describe how some of them reacted differently, and just explain how it affected each of them individually. And then the third question is, how did the students in the history class feel about the apathy of the German people toward the Nazi atrocities? How were they able just to ignore what was going on? The regular average Joe, knowing what was going on, how could they ignore it? All right, so describe. And then the next thing I want you to do, just short paragraph, choose one of the vocabulary words from chapter 1 or 2 that you had, and use it as a basis for a quick write. In other words, what I want you to do is just tell a quick little short story about somebody using that that term that you chose. Okay, just a few sentences that would make sense. All right, and then turn that in along with your terms and the other questions. Okay, also answer the questions for chapters 1 and 2 from the worksheet that was sent home with you. Hey, thanks a lot and have a great day.